In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I stick Magsafe rings on the back of my phones without using a case or a skin. So let's get into it. Some phones, they just work. Like for example, this Pixel 7, this glass back, it just works with adhesives that the Magsafe rings have. But for most phones, they have frosted glass, textured glass. It just doesn't work. A ring just doesn't stick on the back of these phones. And I've tried different brands of rings, they don't stick. So how I get these rings to stick on the back of my phone, like my Z Fold 8 for example, that I'm using to film with this. So this is the solution that I have on my Z Fold 8. As you can see, it's a clear sticker, and I don't know where exactly I got it from because I bought many Magsafe accessories in the past. Like I have these reverse Magsafe rings that I've been using and stuff like that. These stickers came with one of them. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I did do some research to give you some options for something similar. I do have some alternatives in this video that I'll show you. The first alternative that I've been using before I got this sticker from a random accessory is this right here. So this is a screen protector that I bought, generic screen protector for phones that I don't even have, like a S23 or something like that, S24. And the reason why I bought that is because it was cheap on Temu. And what I've been doing is I actually take these screen protectors and I cut them up to be exactly the shape I need or to fit on the back of phones that I use. So for example, for the Z Fold 7, I would get a screen protector that's thin enough, and then I would just put it on the back of the phone. With this method, using the screen protector, you can actually get away with using Magsafe rings that have the alignment thing at the bottom. How I'll do it is I'll line it up on the back of the screen protector. I'll put this in under the paper cutter and then line it up with the line or whatever. And I know how much I need to cut. And I'll literally just cut the screen protector straight across and boom. Now I can put this on the back of my phone. Obviously, like I said, I need to do another cut to make it actually work on the Z Fold 8 Ultra or the Z Fold 7. So I'll just do a little generic cut across here just to make it work on most smartphones. But basically the method is just cutting the screen protector and then putting the Magsafe ring on the back of your phone on the screen protector. So apply a screen protector like normal on the back of your phone, and then you put the ring on top and you should have no problems. Another method and thing that I found is this is like some type of cheap vinyl that I got from Dollarama. Like literally like $1.50 or something like that. So it's a similar thing. You just want to cut to the shape that you need. You know, your skills will vary, but you can definitely get it down. Especially with something like this, you have a lot of the resource to make mistakes. So let's just say something like this. So it's too wide, so now let's cut it so that it fits. And then with all these things, you want to make sure you clean the back of your phone. You can use these wipes that you get from screen protectors, but then you can also use like alcohol spray so that all the bacteria and oils and stuff like that is removed. Prepare the surface, and then you can put your adhesive on the back of your phone. And this one, like I said, I got it from Dollarama, so it's super cheap. And because it's super cheap, you're gonna have to expect that the quality is not gonna be the best. It might not even last a long time. I've used this for like a couple weeks, a week or two. You know, it stays on the phone, but because it's super cheap, it like just based on the environment, you know, if it gets too hot, things like that, take your phone in the shower, this type of vinyl is just going to peel up. It's not the best quality, and the adhesive is not the best either. But as you can see, the vinyl is on the back of the phone, and then now I can put the Magsafe ring on the back of my phone without using the case. So that's another solution that you can do. And now the real solution is this. People have been asking in every single one of my videos on my Z Fold 8, you know, what is that on the back of your phone? Where did you get that? Is it a case? Is it a skin for the phone? What is that? And like I said, I don't know what accessory this came with. And I also don't know what this is specifically called. I was trying to find it. I couldn't find anything. However, I think I found the next best solution and probably what that is, but that is cut specifically. Basically, I think you can search up round labels, and preferably you can get like the clear ones. And it depends on the size of your Magsafe ring. I think most of the Magsafe rings that I have are around like 2-point-something inches. So you would want to get like 2.5 ideally. 3 inches definitely could work on the back of the phone, but that circle is going to be huge. So I think 2.5 is a good compromise. And yeah, so search up round labels. I will have links in the description for different products that you can try. And you know, there's different colors. In Walmart, I only saw glossy white in the specific size that I needed. So I just got this anyways, just to show you in this video, and it can still work. All right, so this is my first time actually using one of these things to kind of mimic the solution that I have on my phone right now. It's basically a sticker. So this is made to like be printed on because it's literally a label thing, but I'm not going to use it like that at all. Just take this one sticker off. Obviously, make sure you clean the back of your phone so that it works the best. And then I'm just going to put this sticker on the back of my phone. Obviously, it's a circle, right? So you want to make sure you get all the bubbles out. Apply it properly so that when you do put the Magsafe ring, there's no bubble that's stuck in the middle, because the circle is hollow, right? So the Magsafe ring will, you know, stick all around here, and then if there's bubbles stuck in the middle, they might not be able to come out, and then you'll just have bubbles. So make sure you deal with that. This is the sticker right here, and this is, like I said, a white one, but you can definitely find clear ones that mimic the thing that I have on my Z Fold 8. And now that that's applied, you can put your Magsafe ring on. And normally with adhesive stuff, you want to apply it and then wait probably like 24 hours before you even like try anything on it. Like try to put any accessories or stick the magnets to anything so that it doesn't like just fall off. You want to give it time to adhere. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to try it out right away. And boom. So this is a solution, and I believe it should work. I will test it just now. But yeah, something like this, you can find it probably in like Walmart or a Michael's, or you know, different stores that have like labeling type stuff. You can probably find it there. I will have some Amazon links in my description where you can click those and check it out as well for different products. But this is a solution that I think will probably work the best for most people. As you can see, it's super thin. There's no issues with using your phone in a normal form factor while having Magsafe. So now let's try some accessories. Hopefully it doesn't just fall off immediately, but here we go. This is a Magsafe stand, and doesn't seem like the ring is coming off the phone. You know, doing stuff like this, seems like it's stuck pretty tight. So I do think this is probably the best solution, to be honest, for getting Magsafe on the back of your glass phone that doesn't, you know, allow the ring without anything, without a case or something. Look at this, pretty stuck. I don't think this is gonna come off anytime soon. And now people are asking like, oh, will this damage the back of the phone, the glass and stuff like that, the texture? Honestly, I can't answer for sure for every single type of phone, every single glass that you're putting this on. But I think for most situations, adhesive is not going to damage the glass of your phone. So, you know, you should be fine in that regard. And taking off the sticker for these ones that have colors, like this white one right here, it might leave some residue. Like, so I'm just going to show you what this one might look like. But obviously do this at your own risk. I don't think the residue will be an issue to clean. But as you can see, like it's peeling up and the paper stuff is kind of being stuck to the phone still. It's not like a terrible thing to clean, to be honest, but it will kind of be more of a process than, you know, the clear stickers that you can get or just a screen protector. Those are a lot easier to take off. Either an adhesive cleaner, I think you could try alcohol to, you know, get the adhesive off as well. As you can see, the adhesive is pretty much mostly gone in that spot. So that is something that you got to think about, I guess, if you're worried about how hard it is to take this stuff off. But for the most part, it's very much easy or doable to peel this up, as you can see. And definitely subscribe, because I wasted this Magsafe ring and sticker for you to do this experiment. So make sure you subscribe to help me afford another Magsafe ring. But yeah, this is what it's looking like peeling it up. If you peel it up nicely, like there is a way to remove stickers without leaving residue or too much stuff back, then it should be fine. But this was pretty easy to remove. And like I said, some alcohol, grab a little cloth, and your phone should be back to new. But yeah, this is just an amazing solution. So now I can have Magsafe on any of my phones. And the best thing about this is that it comes with so many circles, these sheets. Even something like this, it's not super bulky, but I feel like it takes away from the form factor of your phones. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these different solutions to put Magsafe on the back of your phones. And if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, whatever, and definitely check the links for different products that you can try out to do this same thing. And yeah, a lot more videos on the way for the Z Fold 8 and just videos in general. We out. Peace.